In this how-to video, we will see how Paxata facilitates ingesting, parsing, profiling, and transforming XML files for use in a wide variety of business scenarios, including customer satisfaction surveys, social media feeds, distributor lists, clinical results, EDI purchase orders, IoT sensor data, and the list goes on. To illustrate Paxata's built-in intelligence for these semi-structured files, we will look at an XML file with a nested structure and a variety of elements. If we open the file in a text editor, we can see the hierarchical structure consisting of tags, elements, and attributes. Due to this structure, it may be very difficult to profile and transform the data as is. As a result, many data practitioners tend to rely on code or scripts, which require technical expertise and are error-prone. This particular XML file represents an extensive list of individuals and entities which appear on sanctions and watch lists. This data helps financial services companies avoid the risk of litigation and heavy regulatory fines which occur if they participate in corrupt or illegal business activities, even unknowingly. Now let's take this file and upload it using drag and drop. Paxata's intelligent parser automatically converts and flattens the XML file into a tabular structure, allowing subsequent profiling and blending with other datasets. The data preview provides a helpful view of the first 100 records. Here we can toggle the column editor view where we can update column names, exclude columns from import, and reorder columns. Paxata includes a variety of helpful import and parsing options in the Options panel at the lower left. Specific to semi-structured files, we see two key options which help us ensure we are importing the data in the most useful manner. In the Path field, Paxata recommends the optimal path which is likely to contain the data, but provides you the ability to override this entry and select the first element which corresponds to the first record you want to import. For example, if we select the top element, we can see the publish date and record count columns are now included. The column naming option allows us to toggle between the simple name and full name. The simple name uses the element name and is typically sufficient for simple or non-nested structures which result in a relatively low number of columns. Changing over to the full name option will update each column name to the full path, which identifies the column location within the structure. This option is ideal for nested structures like this one, which results in a higher number of columns where duplicate or generic element names exist. For example, UID and last name appear multiple times in this file, so changing the column naming to full will help us see the full path and give us the additional context we need to understand the data contents. When finished setting the options and confirming the data in the preview appears properly, click Finish to save a snapshot of this dataset in the data library, where you can then work with it in a data prep project, profile it, share it, or export it to any configured data source.